What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to enable or how to disable the WooCommerce feature that as soon as you add a product to your cart, it redirects you to the cart page. So imagine the following scenario. A potential consumer of your online e-commerce based on WordPress adds a product to the cart, and it does this process, okay? You see a message. Product has been added to your cart, view cart. The consumer, besides clicking on the button to add to the cart, needs to click into this button to view the cart in order to complete the order. It can be a quite bad or a quite good to your store. So WooCommerce have a feature that as soon as you click into this button, add to cart, you're gonna be redirected to the cart page. How to disable or how to enable in this site case, in this store case right here, how to enable this feature. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, okay? After this, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus and hover your mouse over WooCommerce, okay? Review the sub-menus more carefully, and next to reports you're going to be able to find settings. Click into this sub-menu, WooCommerce settings. Now, review this top tabs right here: general, product, shipping, payments, account, emails, integrations, site visibility, and advanced. Move to products, okay? And right here we have on general, shop page, add to cart behavior. So add to cart behavior redirects to the cart page after successful addition. Click on it to mark this option in the case that you want to enable. Scroll down and hit the Save Change button. Sets are saved. Now, let me show you. If I add this product to the cart, I'm gonna be automatically redirected to the cart page. Simple, easy, and very, very effective, right? No problem, no issue, and no more time wasted with double clicks or repeated process. So the shopping process can be quite faster. In the case that you want to disable, same way, but you need to unmark this option right here and hit the Save Change button. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!